In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add widgets to dashboards in Monday.com fast and easy. Managing your projects effectively often starts with a well-structured dashboard, and Monday.com makes this task incredibly versatile with its range of widget options you can customize to your needs. Let's dive right into how you can set up the perfect dashboard to visualize your data. Now, once you've navigated to your dashboard on Monday.com, your first step will be to locate and click on the plus Add Widget button. It's your gateway to transforming your dashboard into a visual powerhouse. This option is generally located on the top of your dashboard screen. Clicking this will open up a world of possibilities for enhancing your dashboard's functionality. After clicking on Add Widget, you'll see a menu filled with a variety of widget options. Whether you want to add a chart, a battery, numbers, or perhaps a timeline, the choices are right there at your fingertips. Charts can provide a graphical representation of your data, offering insights at a glance. Meanwhile, battery widgets help you track progress visually, perfect for those who want to keep tabs on project completion rates. The Numbers widget can give you a clear, on-the-nose view of specific metrics or goals, and the Timeline is excellent for project planning, showing a comprehensive layout of time schedules. Once you've reflected on what type of widget suits your needs best, go ahead and make your choice from these options. It's important to think about what data or information is most valuable to you and the stakeholders who might be viewing this dashboard. After selecting your widget, you'll be prompted to select the board and data that you want to display within that widget. Take a moment to ensure that you are choosing the most relevant board so that the displayed data aligns with your current objectives and the narrative you want to convey through your dashboard. When you're ready with your choice of board and data, the final step is to click Add Widget. This action will seamlessly integrate your selected widget into the dashboard layout. You can then adjust its position by dragging it around the dashboard if you wish to align it with other widgets for a cohesive look. This flexibility simplifies personalization, allowing you to highlight the most critical information visibly and systematically. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've enhanced your Monday.com dashboard with widgets that not only make data more accessible, but also elevate the overall utility of your dashboard. Play around with different widgets and layouts until you find the perfect setup that meets all your criteria. Thank you for watching, and happy dashboard designing.